Hi guys, I'm back. Super excited. We're going to Thailand. Weird. I had to get used to doing this in front of me because I knew fine. This is all going to be part of our bloopers. Anyway, it has been 3 long years since my last YouTube video was uploaded, and so much has happened, you know, in the span of time. And I should probably tie this, you know, look a little presentable for you guys. There we go. Bam. Okay. So a lot has happened in the 3 years. I was actually filming in LA, the last videos that I did. I moved to LA all the way from Florida. You guys know I'm originally from New York City, but long story short, I moved from Florida to LA, lived there, and that's when I first started my YouTube channel. I was on a journey to lose weight, and I started the JJ Smith Green Smoothie Cleanse, and so many people were asking me, oh, what did you do? How'd you do it? And it just became so repetitive. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do a video for you guys. And my sister was like, just throw it up on YouTube. And I did, and it's been growing ever since, and I'm forever grateful for that. So let's recap on everything that's gone on since the 3 years since I moved. So 1, I moved from LA to Hawaii, and I've lived here for about 3.5 years. So that's been exciting. In that span of time, I also graduated from college. I got my Communications Integrated Marketing degree. Can I act like I can talk? Can I? Can I? I got my Communications Integrated Marketing degree. So I'm really happy about that. I graduated 10 years later than I should have. Just life in general took me in so many different directions. So that just goes to show you guys, it doesn't matter how old you are, where you are in your life, you can still achieve the dream of getting your degree. What else happened? Oh, the JJ Smith Green Smoothie Cleanse. So it's been 3 years since the last time I did the cleanse, and I have not gained weight. I've actually lost. I had dipped down to about like 160, but now I'm at a steady 170. And I think that's just because of, you know, my body's going through things right now with coming back from this major trip we just came back from, which is the last surprise we'll talk about. But yeah, so that just goes to show you guys that the Green Smoothie Cleanse by JJ Smith, it does work. And I've kept the weight off, and you know, you're gonna have people that are like, oh, well, I'm sure you eat right. And I'm a foodie, you guys. I'm a food vlogger, and my goal in life is to eat and try things, you know, as much as I can, and just open my mind to new cultures and new foods and stuff. So no, I'm not on a strict diet. I'm not a junk foodie though, so I think that definitely does help in my regard. But I do battle with PCOS, which is polycystic ovarian syndrome, and a lot of you might know what that is, and others might not. And I've actually been asked to do a video all about PCOS because so many women battle with it, and I feel like not enough women talk about it. It's more than just infertility. There's a whole string of things that goes along with that whole syndrome. So look for that video later on down the line. If you have any comments or questions in regards to PCOS, just leave them below and I'll make sure to answer them when I do that video. What else? Graduated. yeah, I moved to Hawaii. Hawaii's beautiful, absolutely amazing. I am ready for my next adventure though, but before then, I will make sure to get as much of these foodie places in throughout this year as possible. So, big news! We just got back from the trip of a lifetime, you guys. I did not think that... Not gonna cry. This was a healing trip for me, and you know, a lot of you know I went through a really nasty divorce. I got married really young, stupid, bad idea, and you know, while I was going through that marriage, I told myself, you know, I want to go to Southeast Asia. I want to go there to heal and to just settle my mind and, you know, try to just heal from all of this that's going on. Well, I ended up moving to Hawaii, and a lot happened just even in that time being here. So this trip was really important for me, and it was magical. We flew into Bangkok, and then we made our trip up to Chiang Mai for New Year's Eve. So we flew into Bangkok, landed in Bangkok on Christmas Day, Christmas night really. Then we went up to Chiang Mai for New Year's Eve to spend New Year's Eve in Chiang Mai, and then we went back to Bangkok. I personally didn't want to do Bangkok because I'm from New York City, and I was like, I don't want the hustle and bustle of the city. I'm not a city girl by any means. But Bangkok was absolutely amazing. No, it's not super clean. Their way of living is very different than what we're used to here in the States, or even in some other, you know, maybe European countries. But the people are so amazing. They're so sweet. They're so nice, and always have a smile on their face. And it was very amazing. It was really amazing to experience and to see, and to just be engulfed in that culture. And then Chiang Mai was just so laid back, and we got to play with the elephants and wash them and bathe them and feed them and give them medicine, and it was truly amazing. I did not want to come home. I actually cried on the plane. You can ask George. I cried on the plane to come home. I just wanted to stay longer and learn more and be engulfed so much more. So these next few videos coming up are going to be all about Thailand, but I promise you, once I'm done editing these Thailand videos, which should be within this week, then I definitely will, you'll start to see more on Hawaii. I have a lot of people that ask me, what do I eat while I'm in Hawaii? Where's a good place to get local food? Where's the best acai bowl? What about ramen and, you know, the Japanese or Korean culture here? And I will cover all of that. I have experienced and eaten so many places here, and I'm really excited to share them with you guys, because a lot of people know that once I find something that I love, I tend to get addicted to it, and then I keep going, and I become this regular where a lot of times they even know what I want because I won't really change. But this channel is great for everybody because it gives you guys an insight on foods and places to eat, whether you're in Hawaii or Thailand, or other parts of the world. We are actually planning our next trip for March, which is my birthday. That place is to be determined. I have a particular country in mind, just because it's a little closer. I want to go back to Thailand. So, but I tell myself, for the sake of the vlog, you know, I gotta pull away from Thailand, at least for right now. Maybe we'll go back by the end of the year because it's so cheap to eat and live and thrive and enjoy your life there. So definitely, I know that the videos for Thailand, I can't go back and do them all over again right now. But it was my first time really experimenting with vlogging and bringing people along on the journey to the different foods and different, you know, things that I eat and that I try. So it was a little bit challenging because I wasn't used to always having like the camera ready and the camera around, and so definitely know this is just a, you know, scratching the surface. We will definitely be going back to Thailand, hopefully before the end of the year. If not before the end of the year, then definitely early next year, sometime soon. And I will go back to certain places and try a whole lot more like new things for you guys. So when you go to Bangkok or Chiang Mai, you know, some good places to try. George and I did not get sick. We were there for 2.5 weeks and we did not get sick. In Bali, it's called Bali Belly. Don't know what they call it in Thailand, maybe Thai Belly, I don't know. But whatever it is, we didn't get it. So there are some tips and tricks I have for you guys to avoid getting sick while on your trip, because that's not fun to get sick while you're on vacation. And so yeah, so we're planning our next trip. I'm trying, you know, for it to not be Thailand. Although, don't be surprised if it's Thailand again in March. It's a far commute for us from here, you know, here in Hawaii. So our bodies are having a hard time kind of getting adjusted. It's not really the time difference per se, because we were like 17 hours ahead or something like that in Thailand. It's exhausting. It's a really long trip. You're basically traveling for basically almost over a day of just traveling to get there. So, and I couldn't sleep on any flight, on any train ride we took, because I was so excited, you guys. I actually didn't even eat the first few days we were there. It was a little rough for me. I don't know what was going on with my body, but I was not hungry, and that is not normal, and I was just so excited. So yeah, there's a lot to look forward to. So again, the JJ Smith Green Smoothie Cleanse does work. It's been 3 years and I am at a steady 170 and I do eat a lot. My workouts have not been exactly what I want them to be. That's my goal for this new year, to put more time and energy into myself. And for me, that means going for a run or doing, you know, hot yoga, because things are starting to jiggle now because I'm losing weight and stuff. So I definitely want to tighten those things up, and you know, it's always healthy and good to keep the body moving and going, especially here in Hawaii when we drive everywhere. So that's that. So Green Smoothie Cleanse works, doing good. Graduated, moved to Hawaii, just got back from Thailand. I'm actually still extremely exhausted. So all this energy is for you guys. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed these next few videos that I did while we were in Thailand. I've grouped them for Chiang Mai, places to eat in Bangkok, and then street food, how we did it, what we did, tips and tricks. And make sure you go ahead and follow me on my Instagram at PJ Eats. And yeah, I have a lot of pictures and stuff on there and locations for where a lot of these things were, but I will make sure to put as much in the comment or the description box below all those videos. So if you are in, you know, those neck of the woods, you know exactly where to go, and there will be no question or won't be confused. God, the Thai food is so good, you guys. So this next trip is going to be hard to beat Thailand. Thailand was very special for me, and it was my very first international trip in a long time. I've gone international with my mom to Jamaica when I was like 15, but that was before you really needed like a passport to do certain places, and you know, now you need a passport for almost everywhere. But yeah, I'm excited. Actually, I can show you guys. This makes me so happy. Can you guys see this? I don't know if you can see. My first stamps in my passport! This makes me so happy. I had a passport for so long and did not go anywhere with it. And when I renewed my passport, I was like, this time, I'm gonna get some stamps in there. So there's that. You might see more than a few, and that's because we had a layover in Shanghai. That was an experience, but we won't talk about that right now. We're on happy moments right now. Alright guys, so I will talk to you later, and always remember to keep a smile on your face and keep pushing and keep thriving, and do not be a dream chaser, be a dream catcher. Catch your dreams. This is the year to catch them, to make them alive. But all of you guys that have subscribed to my channel mean a lot to me, and I thank you. And I especially appreciate the fact that my channel grew despite me even posting a video. A lot happened. My mom got cancer. I was in school full time, working, had an internship. There was a lot going on, so I couldn't give my channel the attention that it needed. But now that I graduated, my mom is cancer free. I'm able to travel and now focus and make this channel exactly what I had envisioned for it to be once I started seeing how things were flowing. So I'm really excited. All right, guys, happy eating. I got a leg on a stick. Oh, it's so good. This is for how much? 25 baht? Not even $1. That's actually really, really good. It was so good.